Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you about dynamic sum. So directly, let's jump to our development process. So we'll use sum, and in the column we are having our invoice amount, and which we need to create as dynamic part. So I'll use offset function in order to use that dynamic part, and in the reference part, I'll give the first column, first cell in which I'm having the amount, and I'll freeze it using F4 function. I'll freeze this. Since I'm using a software, I need to use shift function, and row column will be 0, column part will be 0, and in order to give the output of height, I'll use another formula called count A, and I'll select the entire D column in which I'm having the data, and now I'll close that formula, and we are back to our offset function, in which part I'll give a width part as 1, and then I'll close the entire formula, and I'll hit enter. And as we can see, the amount is getting updated or not. Yes, it is getting updated. This is how we can create dynamic sum formula in Excel. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you soon with another tips and tricks related to Excel. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you. Happy learning.